You're the red car guy? Oh shit, free money. Free money, free money. Free money, okay? Oh shit, 35k.
Oi mate, oi, that's not your money. Oi,
Pretty sure it is, okay?
drop the money. Drop
No.
the fucking money or we're getting the police involved.
Oh, you're getting the
Drop the
police
money.
involved?
I've got your name.
You have my name?
Drop the money.
I've got your name, you are Daniel, right?
Right, yeah, I am, but you've just stolen his money.
Hello, Daniel.
You are?
What? Yeah, I'm his friend too.
Drop the money. We're coming out now.
Oh shit. Hey, follow me, okay?
Dickhead, that's my money. Dickhead. Oi,
Hello?
Give me,
oi,
give
we
me my
called the
money.
police, we
Give
called
me
the
my
police.
money. Give me
You've
my
told the
money.
who?
We've called the police.
Oh yeah, I know
Give me
them.
my
What
money.
money? What money?
Yeah, what money?
What are you
Your fucking
talking
my
about?
dirty money that you took.
Your dirty money?
Not the
Well,
dirty.
you
Well, you
shouldn't have
fucking
done.
took it, so it's
No,
dirty money then.
I think your
Give
friend
me my
took
money
it.
back.
You shouldn't have
Give me his money
done.
back or the police get involved.
Yeah, I
It's
think
dirty.
How
Give
can
me
you
my
remember
money back.
that?
I think I saw Daniel taking it. I think it was his name, Daniel.
Did you?
Give me
Even though
my
you
money.
just took it.
Hello?
I'm his
You
friend.
took it. I'm
Don't
watching him. I'm fucking watching him.
You're what?
Dude, if you died, then it's your fault. So
Yeah, right.
Yeah, but
Yes,
you
but you
can't
can't
just
do
take
it
his
in
money.
sin spawn.
yeah, you can't kill somebody, but you
Alright,
can
well, we're
take.
getting the police
can
anyway.
take-
We know your name, so when
you
the
can
server
take
restarts
money and
anyway, we know
stuff.
your name.
You are getting the police?
Yeah, you can take money and stuff.
Yes.
Oh shit, not the police. Hey, you
Hey,
guys
fine,
want to
you
team
wouldn't
up
get the
and
police involved.
buy a car?
No, fuck you. Give me my money.
It's about
How
to
do
go.
you team up
It's
with
about to
someone that stole
restart.
money?
Oh, it's about to restart. Nice, I can
Restart.
buy a
Fucking
car after
joking.
restart. Hey, you want to team up?
I'm just gonna go
It's
cruising after
dirty
the
money, you
restart.
dickhead. You can't
Let's
Oh,
do that
same.
Grade 5.
I'm gonna go cruising also. I'm gonna buy a sick car, okay?
Yeah, sure. Do you have a?
Really wanna
I'll
have a
fucking get my
pair of
Bugatti
money
Veyron
too?
out
Wanna
on
be
you,
going
dickhead.
Yeah, we can.
Dude.
Big man Fred's races in jail,
Yeah,
but when he
yeah,
gets
really
out, he'll
bad.
eat you.
Sketchy boy. Sketchy fucking boy.
Hello? Hey, Daniels, I know you.
Hello there. Welcome to the
You are?
Northern Highlands.
You're the guy who took the money, right?
No,
You
you
give
took
me
the
my money
fucking
back,
money.
then yeah.
Hello?
No, mate, I don't think you fair to understand that me and him are friends. You took
Been my
the fucking
own
money.
on these.
Yeah, well, me and NeepTVV are friends also, okay?
Yeah, but I just
I don't
heard you
give
take...
a shit.
Yeah, we're gonna fuck shit up.
You wanted to be
I've
his
seen that you
team,
take
mate.
the money. You've literally just said, do you want to team up? You've only just become friends. I saw you take the money, there's no getting around.
The owner's on his way. The owner's on his way.
Hello, I'm here to pick up my car.
That's not your car. Don't lie. The owner. You stole money off me yesterday. You liar from Civ Spawn. Go away.
Who,
Owner's
me?
Prez Racer. Leave. Yes, you.
No, I'm a
Leave.
taxi
He'll come
company.
back- He'll come back and run you over.
He'll what?
He'll come back and run you over.
I'm a taxi company.
What?
I'm a taxi company.
Leave then. No one wants you here.
Hey, hands up, hands up. Hands up.